Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is to prevent collisions and the violations at the instructions that have traffic signals use the to ensure instruction is clear before you enter it. The correct answer of the question is to prevent collisions and the violations. Instructions that have traffic signals use a green light or green row to ensure the instruction is clear before you enter it. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.